beautiful dolls and my beautiful sunshines, welcome back to this your channel. I want to thank you so much for being here, for hitting the play button. I really appreciate you guys. You don't know how much. Thank you for all the likes, all the comments, and all the shares you guys have done. I love you bunches. Also, if you're not part of this beautiful doll and sunshine family, I invite you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button like this one right here. And after that, I invite you to go ahead and hit the little bell that comes up right after, just like this one, so it could notify you of any uploads that I have coming or that's uploaded. Thank you so much again for being part of this family, for supporting my channel. I love you all bunches. Hugs, kisses, and squeezes. And I'll let you see the video now. Bye. Okay, my beautiful dolls and sunshines. On this occasion, I'm bringing you, I guess, swatches, or I'm going to show you what stamps look like from the stamper. I think that's what I'm trying to say. So I'll be showing you the DaMaSK stamper. Either a month ago or a few months ago, I showed you the Flora, but I stopped due to some of the holiday videos I had to do. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you this stamping plate here. I'm going to be doing it in fast motion just to show you what they look like really fast. The other one took a little longer because I was trying out the paints and everything too, but this one I'm just going to show you really fast in fast motion what they look like. This polish here that I'm using on these little swatch sticks is the Romance from Latin Evolution. Let me tell you guys, you know, when you usually add a diluter, it kind of separates the polish when it's sitting there for a while. It has not done that. So far for the upkeep. Still a thumbs up because it didn't separate after a while. And then on these nails right here, I'm using the one called Party, which is this pink one right here. You can't really see the name, it's kind of faded away. But yeah, I've liked that it didn't, you know, it separates usually when you use a thinner, and it didn't at this time. Well, with this thinner. And I'm going to be using the silver paint color with my stamper, of course, and I'll leave you with the rest of the video. I hope you like. loves, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed doing these for you. I think these are gorgeous, although I'm not very good at stamping. Y'all know I'm still learning, but they came out gorgeous. I love every single design of this plate. They are very, very pretty. I mean, if I was more good at stamping, they would show much prettier, but even though I'm not, they show really, really, really pretty. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, I'll put the link down below if you're interested in purchasing any of these products that I've been showing you. She's an awesome lady, so go check her out. I'll put the links down below. Hugs, kisses, and squeezes. I love you bunches. God bless. Mwah. Bye.